Do you ever wonder how many times you've driven down this street to dip into the past, into my life, the only thing I really possess, or that anyone possesses, if I may speak universally? This bit of time travel takes only 40 minutes on the train, first through the meadowlands, amidst the refineries. Beautiful fields of light brown stalks waver like something out of Kansas. I climb the stairs to the train station, which, like an old brass statue, has turned green-blue from time and water. The neighborhood was quiet. We went into the house. Then I got into my old bed, and I slept well. I dreamt that I was home. You see, my mental, emotional cycle has always been that of the phoenix. On a subconscious level, though I'm conscious of it as I write this, I feel the need to continually destroy myself and then rebuild myself. Destroy, rebuild. Destroy, rebuild. I dreamt that I was home. That I was home. I dreamt that I was home.